Everybody, this is our yard. It's a mess. There's always wood leaving, wood coming in, doing milling projects. Believe it or not, we hauled out a high side of material out of here the other day. About 3 months ago, we hauled 5 high sides of material out of here and about 10 dump trailer loads, like that dump trailer over there. So today, we got our Wood-Mizer LT50. We've been milling a lot of lumber with it, so it's a little rough right now. But we got some 4x12s we need to mill, all full dimension. And I believe I can get them out of this log right here. So we're gonna prep this. I got some nasty knots, but with big beams. It should come out okay. This is for a staircase for a client of mine. All right, so we'll prep this log, we'll buck these knots off, and we'll go from there. This is a 661 with a 42-inch bar. Let's flip this bad boy up. Let's flip her over, make it clean. So with bigger logs, I like to cut the knots off, any growths if I can. Just makes it turn easier without having any issues. These heavier logs, it's a little difficult when it hangs up on one of the rails, or you can't make a cut by an inch or two. So we'll keep going. I think that's good. Let's throw on the mill. Alright, when I put a log on, you notice I try to keep the log on the front of the forks. It's easier in your sawmill when you load it. Just be careful it doesn't roll off. And also, you want to center your log on your turner and your clamp in that area. We are a little heavy on this side, so it might not turn very well, but we should be okay. There we go. Yeah, by cutting these off, right here might be a problem, actually. We should be okay right here, though. Bucking those knots off saved me a lot of headache. I'm not too worried about this on these cuts. It's probably opposite on the other side. I would like to be more turned, but we can still get our measurements out. Yeah, we're doing full 12s. Need at least 16. We got it. All right. Yeah, we gotta turn this log. All right, that was you know what, getting that log turned without hurting nothing. So I'm gonna split that taper. That'll make a difference. Not too worried. I have a little bit of waste. All right, so I get down to at least below 30 inches. We need to do a little bird's beaking action. Not really, I can just shave this off actually. Wouldn't be too bad. Well, that should work out pretty well, I think. Well, this is what I get for having to leave. I had to go to a meeting real quick, and here we got 2 inches. What happened was with this heavy log is I used this foot to pick up to make up the difference for taper, and it actually bled off a little bit, so it's no longer flat. It bled off about a full inch. So something to remember. Haven't had that really happen before, so there's something going on the hydraulic system, I think, or maybe this log's just extremely heavy. We cut this tree down about a week ago, and right now it's May, so these trees are pushing water pretty damn hard. Yeah, I need to turn it. I don't know if I even can. See here, we're at 30 5/8. I don't think I can turn it, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, we're good. Whoa, we are so close. Should build a damn, time to cheat. Damn, this sucker's heavy. Oh, it's right here. Right there. It's getting stuck there. That's why I'm not turning. I just need to go a little more and we have it. course, too much. Look at that. This is... There we go. That's pretty close. I'm not going to bring that jack up. I'm just going to have a little bit of waste. Because I don't want it bleeding off again. We'll have to get to the bottom of that, I think. That log. Make sure she's sitting flat. Yep, it's flat. Dean, hold on. Man, this stuff's heavy. Headache. Didn't miss anything too exciting. Someone else came and tried to help me out, and well, we got some gouges in it. So luckily we'll cut that out. For taper wise. Yeah, it's quite a bit of taper down there on that end. To make sure this stuff is clear, and yes, I am sticking my hand underneath here. Okay, those of you that are worried about it, something could happen.